other question is about blessings.
Mm-hmm.
If I made a blessing on black olives and later on decided to open green ones, do I repeat the blessing?
So that's a very good question. So I would say that depends on the situation. So for example, if you have two jars in front of you, like and you decided to open one, black one, right? And you started eating black, and then you decide, let me try the green. Since they were on the table, there is no problem; they covered. But if they were like in your kitchen cabinets, and you start eating black and say maybe they spoiled, let me get another one. So this another one not covered. So it depends on the situation. If you were not planning to eat both of them, they were and plus they were or they were not in front of you, they're not covered. So really you would need to make different blessing.
And it's the same with bread. Two different kinds of bread.
Bread? No. With bread, once you start eating bread, everything is covered. Especially bread is like you finish this bread, whatever you had, and you're still hungry, so you can get some other piece of bread. So it is covered. It's part of the meal, right? Because it's normal for a person to start meal and say, I'm going to eat two pieces of bread, a little egg, a little potato, this and that, and then he eats half of the whatever is stored in the refrigerator. That's normal, right? And that's actually what all of the things are covered. Or what is not covered, so exception to the situation would be wine. So in wine is in what sense? So we actually learned it in Kitzur Shulchan Aruch class is in a section where you say Hatov Hametiv, who is good and does good, right? And we said there, if you were drinking wine and you did not finish, let's say you drank whatever, like half a bottle you drank, and you decided to open another bottle, right? So this bottle was not in front of you. You did not intend to drink that from that bottle. But you open another one, so you say Hatov Hametiv, meaning what? That look, people like in olden days did not have money to buy the wine. And me, like we are so lucky. Not only we have money to buy wine, we have two different kind of wine. Especially if you know that the second wine is superior to the first one, and or at least the same quality. So, but if it's like not as good, so you would not say Hatov Hametiv, right? So it's like wine is show luxury, the people are rich, at least in olden days, right?
So it cannot be used to avoid making Birkat Amazon. Different kinds of bread. Does not come.
No, if it's a definition, if this product defined as bread, right? It could be combined. So what does it mean? So you can have one slice, like let's say half a kizayis from the wheat, and half a kizayis from a barley. Right? I mean, there is no problem. They just combine together. Right, so because it's both of them are bread. I mean, different kind of bread, but still bread.
So there is no way to avoid making the after blessing.
No, I mean, not to make after blessing. You have to eat less than kizayis. So if you eat less than kizayis, whatever food, you would not say after blessing. That's it.
But I mean, if I have I am eating 29 grams of one kind of bread, and I eat another 29 grams of another kind of bread.
Mm-hmm.
I am obligated to make Birkat Amazon.
Yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome. So, like in general rule, we say after blessing, if you eat one food or combination of solid foods of 28 grams in a period 3 to 4, maximum 9 minutes. But we try not to rely 3 to 4 minutes. So, and it could be combination of different foods. Right. And foods do not combine with drinks. Drinks count separately. Okay.